I didn't realize this hole was as deep as it is, and I lost all my momentum when the rear end slammed into the ground. And here I sit. What do you think, Maggie? This camping trip just got real adventurous. I called Vanya. He's on his way. You guys are going to destroy me in the comments section because when you look further ahead, you'll see there's two more even bigger mud holes. Now these mud holes, while they are a lot bigger, I don't think they're nearly as deep. And that's kind of what I was counting on. I've been through a bunch of mud getting to this point, and it hasn't been a problem. Like, these puddles have been fairly solid underneath. Yeah, you guys are gonna let me have it in the comments, and I deserve it. I really do. I'm quite embarrassed, to be honest. Oh well, such is life.
Where do you think I should go?
I really think you should hit this side right here. Aim for this opening right here.
So stay to the right?
Stay to your right. Go fast. Oh, he better get a run at it.
Vanya came, he brought my other truck. Yeah, there's a bunch of roots in there.
I guess that's pretty slick.
Whoa, 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 I almost fell down. Now we're between mud holes, and if I could get reversed,
yeah, possibly come through this opening here, get squared up. One wheel spinning on the back passenger side. That transfer case isn't doing what it's supposed to be doing, I don't think. Is it?
maybe it popped out.
It may have.
Oh, yep, it did.
Doggone it. Yep. Oh, watch that tree. Come forward a little more. You'll be able to get in between those trees. That's probably enough. Nice. You got plenty of, yep, keep going back.